Bet you never know. Say we have the power, but there's things we touch the road. Tell them say we ready, clip them on the cut she load. Shoulda know say we no regular, anything we ready for. Bet you never know, bet you never know. Nah go take no talk, I beg no pardon, that's for sure. Bet you never know, bet you never know. How we are like the badness, we are like the globe. Bet you never know, bet you never know. We are like the badness, we are like the globe. Multinational badness weapon, you know. Thing a ramping thing, a top ranking thing. Hear that? Bet you never know. Say we have the power, but there's things we touch the road. Tell them say we ready, clip them on the cut she load. Shoulda know say we no regular, anything we ready for. Bet you never know, bet you never know. Nah go take no talk, I beg no pardon, that's for sure. Bet you never know, bet you never know. How we are like the badness, we are like the globe. Bet you never know, bet you never know. How we are like the badness, we are like the globe.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. A couple weeks ago, I got the chance to do a little bit of training on the Daedo Gen 2 system. You know, tournament season is finally starting to pick back up, so it's really good to be able to just play around with it, test out some kicks, figure out kind of foot position, impact, and then be able to do like some light sparring. So it was really good. Out of all of the systems that I have kind of sparred on, I do think the Daedo Gen 2 system seems pretty fair and accurate just from what little bit of training I've done on it. So it was a lot of fun, really good to be able to just take it a little bit slower and just kind of test it out. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video.